welcome back to the Netherlands with my jowa. At nandito kami sa Amsterdam.
Sail, oftewel sail.
What's the celebration here?
Kijk maar.
Yes, it's the sailboat.
Very many, lots
Yeah,
of boats.
tingnan nyo, dali. Ang daming tao. Grabe, ang daming tao sa Amsterdam. Grabe. Kasi this because it's 10 years, right? But this should be every 5 years. But because of Corona,
something happened in the world.
yeah, because of Corona tide before. There's a Rotterdam flag.
Yeah, or something Spanish because I also see in Andalusia.
Yes. Ito yung sailboat, mga kamimay. Halika na, dali. Tignan natin siya.
Ja, dan kun je niet zomaar draaien.
Ayan. Oh, wow. Perfect. Cut. Oh, wow. Craft. Oh, wow. There's sun here. Napakaganda. Oh. Grabe kadaming tao. Oh. Sailboat. 20 kaso medyo mahangin lang. Ayan, oh, ang dami. They say it's more than hundreds or something that sailing boat here, Vail, and different kind of the world. Kahit saang ibang bansa nandito din. Hindi lang sa Netherlands. Why are they celebrating this one?
Yeah, maybe there's some sailors, they love to have an event to collect a lot of sailors coming together.
The pirates. Charot.
It's not an event, something like that. I actually don't know the real history.
Grabe, oh. Dami nagsisailboat. Yung iba naman nagsisailboat. Gusto ko yung mga ano, talagang ganyan. Ito, ganyan. Yan, ganyan.
If you see something named the Groene Draak, then maybe our king did.
Van Dijk?
Green Draak.
I see the green KPN.
It was Thursday here.
Oh, it's a Thursday. Oh.
Maybe they don't like Saturday.
Because it's too busy in.
Yeah, true.
Maybe it's too.
Somewhere.
Yeah, it's too busy on Saturday. Kahit the Mensen. Ang daming tao. Mahangin lang ang labanan. Puro maganda, oh. Daming tao. Ang kapal ng tao. Ay, ang ulo. You look scan. My camera.
Oh ja, mooi hoor. Echt heel mooi.
Nice, yeah. Ten years in the making this one, mga kamimay, dahil sa Corona, kaya hindi nagkaroon ng last 5 years. So, ngayon, 2025, that's 2020. 2025 is a sailboat. Parang naging 10 taon. Kaya dinagsak talaga siya ng iba't ibang panig ng mundo.
Swing on the tower there.
I see the swing.
Over the edge swing.
Swing. Oh, wow.
I love the swing.
Kahit Daisy, oh. Wow, this I like the sailing. Like this one boat. Yeah. Look, the other one, much more cloth.
You see the flag? The US of A?
Nasaan?
Where?
Where?
Oh yeah, no. It's Spain, I think. The red and yellow.
I don't see.
The next one is on the...
Over there pa.
Oh, well, 3 months.
What's 3 months?
The yellow...
Yeah. That's a cloth. Yeah.
3 months, right?
Yeah. Right. Oh, wow. Hey, moy. But it's so windy only.
That's why they should raise the sails. I think that's the game. No, because it's many boats.
Yeah, that's why. That's why they don't put it. Napakaganda. Lalo na doon yung mga kanumay, no? Yung mga malilit na. Pabalik na yung iba. Ikot lang sila. Eto na! Malapit na tayo, oh. Oh. Wow! Oh. Woo! Wow. Yeah. Kahit yung hangin mga kami may amoy gasolina. Gawa ng boat. Pupunta tayo doon. Pupunta tayo dyan. Maraming mga makikita doon. Ang baho nung ano, ng amoy gasolina. Gasolina.
Too much gasolina.
Gasolina. Gasolina na. Where we gonna go now?
Just door.
Go
How many boatjes daar?
Malamig, August pa lang, malamig na. Diyos ko, magtataos pa palang bye-bye na summer.
Winter soup ben ik wel gegaan.
Diba? Pagkagaling namin sa Italy.
Lekker hè?
Yeah, ngayon lang.
Lekker.
Yes, and then Amsterdam. Lagi tayo pa-travel vlog at may ganap. Para masaya lang ang buhay. Tigil lang mga drama.
Want me to tell about the Lamik?
What's Lamik?
The weather.
Yes, Lamik.
I think Friday or Thursday I started to wear my coat again.
It's so lamig here.
Yeah, before, like
Super lamig. Mga kami may malamig na ang panahon. Yeah. Dar, Scott, in the hook. Let's go. Ayan! Nakakita ng magandang spot. Spot na spot tayo dito mga kami. Spot na spot tayo dito. Pak! Party! 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 Ayun sila. Oh. Ayun. Ayun. Party! 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 Party, party, look.
So party.
Yeah!
Hij is kat eruit.
Ow.
Put your hands up for Pierre. Oh schat, kijk eens naar rechts. Wow. Oh wow, no. I wanna see what's behind you. It's something very big. Wow. Okay lang.
Bye-bye. Grabe, dagsa ang tao. Dagsang-dagsa. Ang daming tao. Malala ang tao. Ang daming tao. Ayan pa. Ang daming tao. Grabe sa tao. Hindi mo matatawaran. Parang karayom. Malakarayom ang tao dito sa ano. Sa sailboat 2025 Amsterdam. Where we na to? Where? Oh, ang ganda ko dito dahil. You wanna sail daar?
Ja, ik weet niet waar de eiplijn uitkomt.
Oh nee, we just walk. Huwag na tayo mag-sail papunta sa kabila at napaka dami nagsasail. Enjoy na lang natin mga kami may papunta dito. Ang dami talagang tao. Dinagsa talaga. Iba't ibang lahi, iba't ibang panig ng mundo dito sa Amsterdam. Ba't mag-ingat po tayo sa mga manduruhot? Atensyones! Atensyones! Charot. Ang dami tao. Fibo, yes. Let's go. You want a snack po?
Ja,
ang daming tao. Pak. Ang daming bumibili. Burger. Gusto ko ng burger. Ang snacks ng Netherlands. Frikandel, broodje, alles. Grabe. Nakabili na kami mga kamimay. Oo, 5 euro na ito dahil. Napakamahal. Ang mahal. 5 euro ang burger. Ito lang. Kapela natin ay 300 pesos. In the Philippine money is 300 pesos.
Deze is very so-so. Kijk, super dun. Very thin the burger. Ja.
May nadaan na kaming free. Pwede ka kumuha ng water. Tapos pag ano, magbayad ka ng 1.5 sa toilet. Libre ang water pero ang pag I said the water is gratis there, but the toilet is €1.50.
And the most worrying about all,
What?
if you don't have a bank card, good luck. It's
Yeah.
only bank card.
Bank card here. Ay, tinin ito. Oh. Yan o. Super lakad po kami na mag-jowa. You want to drink now or later?
I want to pee first.
Ang mahal ng libre nga ang tubig. Is the water is free but the toilet is not free. Wala ka na rin bumili ng tubig?
Yeah, that's fine. The real water is free. If you drink a lot, you need to pee, so you still pay for it.
Slim.
That's how it
Good
works.
business.
That's how it works.
Yeah.
Very
Good
sweet.
business.
So smart.
Yeah. Why not?
My idea.
Hello. Ito yung sinasabi ko mga kamimay. Ito oh. Ito. Tumingin ako sa baba kasi merong ano yun. Napatingin tayo. Ito na nga! Ayan! Oh, ang ganda! Oh, pak! Diba? Daming tao, Zay. Sailboat talaga. May horse, oh. Ayun. Sakay ang mga pulis, eh. Mga pulis ang sakay ng horse. Ayun, oh. Oh, diba? Bababa tayo mga kamimay. Patay na muna natin dahil baka tayo ay makapiright. Umikot tayo pababa. We can go down, down, down. Ah, this is for the cruise. Ha? Yan o, passenger term Siglo Sail 20 VIP experience. Yeah, this is for the cruise. Oh. We will walk. Actually mga kami, may naiihi na kami. Are you feel pipiriti? Yeah, I feel it also. So where we gonna go to Pipiriti? Then we can sit in the cafe of what then?
Go for a drink.
Yeah. Then we can go for drinky. Drinky, ano ne.
Rich design souvenir.
Yeah. Souvenirs for the tourists, because this is a terminal, right?
Yeah.
700.
Like a docking island.
Doon tayo galing mga kamimay sa taas. Doon! So umikot tayo papunta dito kasi hindi ka pwede makapasok doon at ang daming tao. O tinan nyo, non-stop. Kaya dito tayo. Oh. Akala ko makakalibre na kami ng ihe. I thought we're gonna get a free.
Yeah, the docking, but usually no, it's free.
Sa hotel. Aba, pagpasok din namin, may bayad. 1.5 din. Grabe. Sabi ko, halika na. Uminom na lang tayo. Maghanap tayo ng cafe. Tapos doon tayo iihi. Kasi pag ikaw ay uminom, wala kang bayad. Pero kung hindi ka iinom, may bayad ka dito. Alam mo naman, lahat talaga may bayad. Na! Wala nang libre! Magising kayong lahat. Charot! Iinom sana kami ang tea for €1.20. Pero ang toilet dito ay €1 lang. Ang coffee ay, oh my God. Of course, nasa Amsterdam ka. Reklama! Kailangan mo nito para makapasok dyan. Napakagandang business ng toilet. Ay, ang ganda dito. Oh, kaya ba? Ay! Wow. You want a picture here? Nay? Are you sure?
People making pictures. I'm not. I allow you.
You want the picture?
Do what?
You go there, stand up there. Okay. Wow! This is a marine ship. Ang ganda.
Now maybe the marine will also
Ay, wow,
be there.
over there also. Wow.
Maybe the marine will also be there in the World Harbor Days.
1 year.
That's September.
Oh, World Harbor.
Yeah, World Harbor.
They going to Rotterdam? Which,
Maybe, yeah, I'm not sure.
which date?
I think that's the first or the second weekend of September.
Oh, that's nice. Very, very nice. We can go there, mga kame. Let's go over. Wow! This is a marine ship. Ang ganda.
Now maybe the marine will also
Ay,
be
wow,
there.
over there also. Wow.
Maybe the marine will also be there in the World Harbor Days.
1 year.
That's September.
Oh, World Harbor.
Yeah, World Harbor.
They going to Rotterdam? Which,
Maybe, yeah, I'm not sure.
which date?
I think that's the first or the second weekend of September.
Oh, that's nice. Very, very nice. We can go there, mga kame. Let's go over there. Wow. Yan, no? Ito yung likod sa cruise terminal. Ang ganda doon, no? Si Captain Hook. You see Captain Hook? And the pirates.
Maybe they're from the Caribbean and it's the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Captain Hook and the pirates. Ito si Captain Hook. Sabi ko, if we buy a drinks here, they have a free toilet. We need to ask.
Well,
Yeah,
good-
we have
good
a
luck.
toilet 1.5.
True.
So hindi mo na madidehydrate ka talaga dito Dahil sa mahal ng toilet.
Portugal.
There is a Portugal.
Yeah, that's second one. This one I didn't know the flag.
Yes.
Brazil, no, that's Portugal.
The Portugal. Yung mga bili. Ayun, dami nila, oh. Dami nila sa taas. What you say?
Very
This is
far
the
away, I see a big ship. You look, these are big, huh?
Oh, wow.
They have 3 masts.
Which one? This
But I
stuff?
see one, they have 4.
Yeah.
So it's even bigger.
And then they invited here.
Yeah, that's about how I think it works, huh?
They invited here to experience the people. To
No.
come inside.
They invite the big tall ships, which can sail.
Oh.
And then a
Which
lot of them,
country?
they come here every 5 years.
Wow. It's my first time to experience this one.
Yeah. And it's good you do because this is part of the Netherlands.
Yeah, it's a part of the Netherlands. Oh, Captain. Charot.
Captain Microphone.
Yeah, Captain. Captain Hook.
Oh, that's the real captain for sure.
Yan o, ang lalakad. Pataas nga naman. Grabe, may mataas pa. Does this look like different kind of country? The other one.
Yeah, 3 masts of full ship.
Grabe, ang dami. Oh, circle.
Oh, je moet hier.
Die kant op, alsjeblieft, via de rechterkant.
Ik kom weer deze kant op.
Mag-circle tayo. This is a bridge that you say. Grabe, daming tao. Imimit ko sana yung friend ng jowa. Kaso hindi ko na kinaya. Napakadaming tao. Tapos ang layo pa ng lakadan. Ang jowa nagdiretso na papuntang Paganon. Nag-shortcut na nga kami sa ibang daan. So ang ginawa ko, sasakay na lang ako ng tram pabalik ng Central Station. Ako na lakad sa God! Dahil kami men! Pagod ng tram, 5 minutes pa. Kaya tara, saan niyo ako? Malate ko lang ng jowa. Jumalis na siya. Kaya mag-gisa na lang tayo.